Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tea and Heart. Today I am doing an experimental video and I thought why not make a video out of it. So what I'm doing here is I have mixed around here 80 ml of resin, and to this I am adding this beige color, and I will be using All Gold by Resin into two empty containers. And I have taken a very little tiny amount of the beige pigment. And I have mixed my first color, and now I will be mixing my second color. By the way, I do reuse my containers, so that's why you sometimes see them in different colors. So that's really just recycling and reusing the old containers. So in this second pot I am using this Old Gold by Resin. I really love this color. It has such an antique gold color to it. It's really not too golden and not very less golden, but in the middle somewhere. So before you add any pigment to your resin, make sure you mix your resin before under thoroughly, and then take the amount out of the container and add it to your resin. So what I'm doing here is there is no resin in my mold, and I am just drawing the petals on the mold here. We all are drawing the petals in the resin, but first we pour the resin into the mold and then we draw the petals. But this time I'm doing something different. I am adding this pigment first to the mold, and I'm making some petals here. So again, it's just an experiment. I wanted to see how it turns out. And doing the same with the golden here. So now I am pouring a clear resin and I am pouring in the center. So let's see what happens here. So I will be using a heat gun here, and I will be doing in different directions to create some movement into the piece. And now I will be making some petals. And I'm making a swirl in the center, and that's it. This is the next day, and let's see how it turned out. So I can see a flower has been formed and there was some movement in the resin. Let's see the other side. So this is how it turned out, and I really can see some wild flower thing happening here. So I was confused between the sides, but later on I selected the side and there will be something additional happening to this flower. So start working on that. I will be start working on that. So the next step is that I will be doing a black top coat on the back just to enhance the flower a bit more. So this is how I am adding a black back coat, and it's done. This is the second day, it's all been cured, and what I did here is I am using this gold leaf gilding paste, and I have drawn some flowers on it, just simply using it and making petals. That's it. And I left it to dry for a day. Now it's all been transparent and sticky. So you can draw any shape of the petal you like. I just freehand drew it as I liked. And this is the gold leaf, and I will be pressing it onto the coaster, and where the glue is all sticky and dried up, it will transfer itself onto the coaster and the petals will be forming. So when I am happy with my petals, I will be putting it back into the mold and I will be doing a top coat, and this will be a thick top coat, so that's why I have put the coaster back into the mold. So this is the third day and the resin has all dried up, and let's demold it. And this is how it turned out. And after doing the reverse alcohol ink techniques, I wanted to see if I add the pigment paste first to the mold, how the flower turns out. So I think I like it, and the petals on the top has made the flower more enhancing and more elegant. So I hope you like it, and if you do, please let me know in comments, and you have any suggestions, please do let me know as well. And if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please do so. And also I do post some Amazon links in my description for the molds and everything. If you want to see, you like to purchase anything, you can do that, and it do help me a little. And again, thumbs up if you like the video. Also take care, like, subscribe and share. Bye bye.